Shri Guru Charana Kamalebhyo Namaha. Sri Shukdev Goswami says, O King Parikshit, when Lord Brahma heard the prayers of Hiranyakashipu, he indicated to Hiranyakashipu, I am pleased, you ask me anything you want. Hiranyakashipu asked, O best of all the demigods, if you are pleased with my austerity, then please make me totally immortal. I want to become immortal. Hearing this, Lord Brahma says, you should have asked anything that is in my capacity. You should not have asked what I don't have. Even I myself is not immortal. How can I give you immortality? This is not possible because it is not in my control. Sri Suta Goswami says, O sages, as situation took place with Lord Brahma, similar situation took place once upon a time prior to this situation. That there was a worshipper of Durga Devi. One man who worshipped Durga Devi on his life, whole his life, once he performed austerity to please Sitala Devi, one of the different form of Durga Devi. He performed great austerities. Being pleased with his austerities, Sitala Devi climbed upon his donkey carrier and appeared before him. Seeing Sitala Devi, this worshipper paid his obeisances with folded hands and became very happy and jolly. So Sitala Devi said to him, you can ask me any boon you want. I am happy, pleased with your austerities. Hearing this man, the worshipper of Sitala Devi, he asked, if you are pleased with my austerities, please grant me one beautiful, strong horse. I want a horse. I am expert in climbing on a horse and I want to compete with other horse climbers. I want a good horse. Hearing this, Sitala Devi said the same thing what Lord Brahma said. You should have asked something to me which is in my capacity. It is beyond my capacity. You see me, I climb on a donkey. How can I give you a horse? If I had a horse, I would climb on a horse too. So you should be asking something which I can give. So similar situation took place with Lord Brahma. Hearing this, Sukadeva Goswami says, means Suta Goswami is telling, the Sukadeva Goswami says like that. Hearing this, Hiranyakashipu asked Lord Brahma, O Lord Brahma, please give me such kind of boon that no living entity in among 8,400,000 species created by you can kill me. They cannot. They should not be able to kill me. No human beings, no demigods, no demons, no birds, no animals, no aquatics can kill me. Neither living entities who are alive nor dead matter can kill me. Means sword, club, they are dead matters. No weapons should kill me. Neither I should die in the sky or in the earth, in the water. Nor I should die inside the house or outside the house. Nobody should be able to face me in the battle. Nobody should be able to kill me while fighting. Neither Gandharvas, nor Kinnaras, nor Pisachas can kill me, nor ghosts can kill me. I should not be killed by anyone. I should preside over all. I should be the Lord or ruler of the whole creation. Everybody should be under me. I should be the supreme controller. All the controllers should stay under me. Let me have all the mystic powers that are available in this planet. I want to have them all. And those powers should not go from me at any time, at any stage. Lord Brahma heard all this and he said, okay, I'm pleased with your austerity. I give you. You have them all. After saying this, Lord Brahma left that place. Went back to his abode. After this, Sri Shukadeva Goswami says, O King Parikshit, Hiranyakashipu was a demon, and by nature he was proud already from the beginning. But after receiving all these kinds of boons, his pride had no bounds. He became so proud. First thing he did is control all the controllers of the universe. Very first thing he did. He thought to be the best of all. He did not respect anyone. And he went to heaven and took over the palace of Indra, which was built by Vishwakarma, and lived in there. He controlled all the opulence of heaven. Then he came down again to earth and won over all the kings that existed in 7 islands of the whole earth, and kept all the kings under his control. Everybody was under his control. So he sat on the seat of Indra, and all the apsaras, dancing girls of heaven, society girls, they danced. And he drank the best wine available in the heaven, and he kept his eyes always red due to intoxication. All the oceans were under his control and would bring with their waves all the pearls and gems, all riches required for him. Mother Earth was scared, so she would grow all kinds of food without being tilled or planted seeds, without seeds. Nobody needs to endeavor in any way on earth to produce food. All the trees would produce all kinds of fruits and flowers whole season, all the time. They were all scared. The 7 oceans saltwater ocean, sugarcane juice ocean, liquor ocean, clarified butter, ghee ocean, milk ocean, yogurt ocean, and sweetwater ocean. These 7 oceans were always present in front of him. Anything he needs, they supply. And he looked toward the sky, anything he wished, that will come to him. Outer space would give. He would enjoy every possible way possible. Everything he would enjoy, but because he was a demon, he would always remain dissatisfied. Means he was the servant of his senses. Then Narada Muni says, O King Yudhishthira, this demon Hiranyakashipu was the associate of the Supreme Lord in previous life, in the spiritual world. Due to being cursed by Kumara's Brahmins, he became a demon. And that's why, because in demon's nature is that he remained always like intoxicated, proud, arrogant, like that. He broke all the scriptural rules, every possible rules. In this way, he spent a lot of time just enjoying life, wasted. His punishment was so harsh and hard that everybody was upset with him, very distressed. After some time, all these controllers of all the directions and leading demigods combined together reached Lord Shiva. Because Lord Shiva is Guru. Without Guru, you cannot go to God. Without Guru, nobody till today had gone to God, nor will go in the future. Guru is required. And Guru should be authorized by scripture. If your Guru is not authorized by scriptures, is not a pure devotee from birth, he should be replaced with a pure devotee. Surrender another time to another pure Guru. Guru should be pure devotee from his birth. Like that. So they went to Lord Shiva, paid their homage. Please, we must go to the Supreme Lord because Hiranyakashipu is creating havoc for us and we are very much tormented. So they all went to Milk Ocean to pray to the Supreme Lord. And the demigods, they are expert in praying with one-pointed intelligence. They prayed to the Lord, O Supreme Lord, anybody takes shelter and prays to you wholeheartedly, you listen to their prayers. And you reward them liberation and take them to your abode in the spiritual world from where never comes back to this miserable world again, place of birth and death. O Lord, you are so merciful. We pay our humble obeisances unto you. They gave up all food and drink and sleeping, 3 things. The demigods gave up and staying near Milk Ocean because Lord resides in Milk Ocean in the Vishnu form. Because they prayed so sincerely, Lord heard their prayers because Lord Shiva was there as their Guru. He is also praying. Guru also prays. A thundering sound came from that Milk Ocean center, echoing all directions. O devotee demigods, do not worry. Don't be scared. May all blessings, all auspiciousness be on you. Do not worry. I know what is happening. I already know. How much problems Hiranyakashipu is creating for everyone, that I know. But you have to wait some more time for me to come there. I will surely kill him. Take my words. I'll kill him. Oh great demigods, oh controllers, please listen. Yada deveshu vedeshu gosu vipreshu sadhusu dharme mai cha vidvesa sava asu vinashyati. O great demigods, O controllers of the universe, listen to my words. When somebody disturbs demigods, turns against Vedas, torments cows, kills cows, torments, kills real Brahmins, torments, kills, destroys real devotees, tries to destroy the religion, spirituality from earth, and envies me, surely becomes destroyed. Don't worry, that time is coming for him to be destroyed. Lord spoke this to them being unseen. Demigods had not seen the Lord. Thank you very much.